right, welcome back to Nerd Chic. Friends, I've got some great options for you for green screen. I decided to put together a green screen myself with some orders from Amazon. And so I got it as inexpensive as I could. I mean, we're talking about something that should cost like hundreds of dollars, really around $50, $60 all in or less. You can get in for this. So here's the first thing I got, the green screen background. And again, I got this right off of Amazon for about 15 bucks. The thing is, and I'll put links in here so you can come and find exactly what I ordered as well. I don't get referrals on that. This is not product placement. It's just what I did, and it's what I'm doing to help you. But the thing that's great about this is it's really good material. It's kind of like almost a plasticky feel or whatever. Reminds me a lot of old school, fiber that was used in picnic tablecloths and stuff. But the thing is, you cannot iron out the lines, and a lot of times you don't have to worry about that when you're using a green screen because the lines won't show up in your background when you're using it for Zoom or whatever. But you may want to. So know this, do not place a hot iron on this. You have to do it with the steaming function to get it to let go if you're going to do that. But that's the first thing. So I got my green screen material that way. I'm going to change my camera a couple different ways here. And then I've got this is my green screen apparatus that holds it up in the background. And the reason why I left it like this is I want to show you how cool it is. It came in the box with this carrier, which is awesome. So you can actually move it around. It came with these amazing little clips that hold the green screen to the top. So you hang it and it's behind you. And these are really, really strong. So probably the best ones I've ever come across. They're in the box. Of course, you've got the kit that's in the bag, which is all your poles that are necessary. And you can see the poles are these poles that telescope, and right here, and this pole across here, and these clips go across the top here with the main area, and then your green screen's in behind it. Very, very, very inexpensive to do. So here's the paperwork that's inside so you can see that. And you can see all the assembly information comes with it. It's just a print off. It's nothing huge or whatever, but I'll show you inside the bag. So inside the bag, you got these two Velcro clips here, and it does this number. It just kind of folds out. You can see there's pockets in here for each thing. The two legs are on this side and this side, and then in the center is the poles that go across the top. So check how it opens. I'm trying to watch my screen here. You can see it opens like that. There's another Velcro thing that holds it all in there. And then there's the telescoping. So you can see these guys are really pretty awesome. I'll show you how it goes together in just a second. I'm gonna pull them out and then I'll kind of put it together. I'm not gonna put it all together. I'll show you most of it. This, and then these poles. All right, now I'm gonna change angles here to see if I can give you a pretty good view of it all. Give me 1 second. Right here. All right, so let's put this guy together. Here we go. Okay, so you can see these guys just do like that. And of course they telescope, which is awesome. They've got the tighteners right here. And tightener right here. And of course it pulls and telescopes here. That's tightened already. You can get that down. Brings it into the view. Oh my goodness, it's tight. There it goes. So that's that. You can see how those tighteners really work there. And then another one right here. So let's get it open. It's tight. And it's, you know what? It's got these feet on here, these rubberized feet. I just felt those for the first time. Those are nice. So I'm actually gonna make that out a little bit more so it's really stable. Here's that, tightens really well. These feel really, really solid. Most stuff like this feels like plasticky and not really solid. So I'm really happy with how it feels. And then get that up there. So there's those two. I've got them about the same height now. Set this over here. Move my chair, get it out of the way. So we can get this all in here so you guys can see it. 1 second, I'm adjusting as I go so you can see the top as we get it there. There we go. Okay. You guys can see in the background some of my top secret stuff I'm working on for social media. If you want to be a part of it, let me know. It's not top secret, but it's a lot of fun. These guys are really cool because they got little clippies in there. So check this out. They just click in there, and then you get them equaled out, and boom. It's that simple. And then on the end, it's got a big one. So you could go a little bit shorter than this if you wanted to. Actually, I don't think I need my green screen that long. So I'm actually gonna leave this one out. I don't need it, which is nice. And now I can put the other end cap on here. You get them off. They're spring loaded and they seem really, whatever, good. That's super long for me even. I may not need it that long. I probably only need 2 for what I'm doing, so let's do this. Well, no, I'll do it for the sake of you guys seeing it. See if I can get it all in there. We can see the whole thing. There's that and that. And then you can see that the next thing is just putting these guys on here. So, got this over here. Give me 1 second. Take a second to get that off. Pretty awesome. This thing is long. Oh my lands, it takes up my whole wall, guys. You may not see me in a minute. I'm just gonna set this on here for now. I don't have time to do all of it. I'm trying to get this done. There. You can see in effect how that goes, right? So it goes across there, and then if you're doing this, and I'm not gonna have it perfect because I'm just showing you, I'm not really using it right now. What you wanna do is you wanna have your clippies so that you can clip your green screen on to it. Wow, this is great. All right, and then here's my green screen. And again, I would not have that top pole in my background so you wouldn't see it anyway. And I'm going long ways, not up and down, because I'm doing a sideways video. So I'm just gonna clip this on here. It is not gonna be perfect. It's just for you to see the effect of what it would look like. 1 more second here. Boom, there's that. There we go. This is really, goodness, much more than I expected, to be honest. Much more than I expected out of any inexpensive solution that I come up with. And it's better than pipes or whatever. And that's more green screen than I need. As you can see, boom, that's, if I set up my chair, and I'm doing my zoom right in here, I'll give you a, for instance, so you can see it. You can see I don't need a green screen except for in that section right there. So that's massively more than I need. So again, one more good look at that. It goes boom, all the way across there. Isn't that amazing? Just an incredible thing. If I really wanted to get the lines out, I would steam it, which you may want to do that. But you guys, I've used other stuff besides these green screens in the past and not had any issues with like sheets and stuff that are a light tint of blue or light green. This green screen isn't even a sheet. It won't show. So this is gonna be an incredible view. All right, that's it. So I'll have the information right here in the comments. And you guys, I do highly recommend this one. It's an incredible group for green screen, and it's not $100. It's like gonna be between 13 to 15 for your green fabric, and then the stands are gonna end up being around 30 some bucks. So this for me was a $45 deal. But again, those adjust, and even the links I put in, they adjust the prices here and there. You may be able to get it cheaper, a little bit more expensive. Again, thank you for tuning in to Nerd Chic. Hopefully this has been helpful in showing you how to do your own green screen real easy and get it cheap. And if this has helped you, share it. Give us a thumbs up, love on this, and add comments if you have questions. And if you got questions on anything else, just ask us here at Nerd Chic. Thanks, you guys.